Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to ESPV500 English for Specific Purposes Blackboard Tutorial Summer Edition. Take a look at this menu. This is the original Blackboard. You click on your section and you're going to enter the course. Here on the left you're going to see the units. It says here in Spanish, Unidad 1, Unidad 2, Unidad 3. Each of these units has 5 links, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what are these? These are the classes. For this ESP Summer Edition, we have 3 weeks. Each week we're going to have 5 classes. So Unit 1 is going to be the first week. Class 1, Class 2, Class 3, 4 and 5, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. It's important that you do these activities each day before the class. Remember that. So let's take a look at E1. Get yourself up to date. Click. This is class number 1. As a student, you are going to see 1 and 2. Click here, E1, get yourself up to date, and you're going to see a new window. When it loads, you're going to see your online teacher.
Hi, welcome to the ESP for Technology course. This course will provide you with both the language and soft skills necessary to boost your linguistic and nonverbal abilities.
So when the video finishes, you're going to see many buttons here. You have your play button, you have the volume, but the important ones are over here on the top. You have a menu to go over the different activities. You have the introduction, you have glossario, where you can see some maybe difficult vocabulary, and you have some resources that you can download. So what's the idea? You're going to watch the first video, and when it finishes you're going to click on next, siguiente, next. When you click on next, you're going to move to the next one in the menu. So the idea is to do these in order. Yes, so you watch the first video and you go next. Now we're here.
Hi, welcome to Unit 1. Get yourself up to date.
You see, this is class for the Unit 1. Yes, when you finish it, we're going to click next and we're going to go to conceptos y ejemplos. Yes, and so on. You continue until you go here, hands-on and the quiz. These two are activities that you have to do. They are going to carry weight on your final grade, so it's important that you do them. Let's take a look at the hands-on. Context. And what's the activity? PEM. We're going to match phrases. Here we have some vocabulary. Yes? So to do the activity, next, down here, PEM. Okay, this is the activity. You can move these cards into the correct spaces. When you finish, you click on send. Something very similar is going to happen at the quiz here. Quiz. You have your context and you have your activity. To start, you click on next and there you have the quiz. Yes. When you finish, you go over to conclusiones and you'll be done. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. That was Teacher Danilo. Welcome to the ESP500 English for Specific Purposes Summer Edition 2020. Have fun. See you in class. Bye bye.